It's day 5 of upskilling. Let's go. I wanted to quickly demonstrate how we can perform reverse shell attack. For that, let's learn what reverse shell is. Reverse shell happens when we, as an attacker, trigger a code execution on a victim machine or IP and set up an outward listener on our end. And we establish a TCP session where we can connect back to the shell of the victim through a socket. Let's understand the flow of the attack. We usually set up listener on our end, which will be using a netcat command like this one. And we try to trigger a code injection on the victim end, usually through improperly sanitized input fields. We trigger or initiate a outbound connection through the target to connect back to our mission and try to get a shell prompt through the TCP session. We have a website here on HTTP servers, Cozy Hosting, where we have 2 fields and a form where we can submit hostname and username, and it processes these fields on the back end using some JavaScript file, and we are going to submit this hostname and username, and we are going to intercept using burp suite here. As you can see, we can see our username hostname that you have sent on the burp suite here. Here we are introducing our payload, which just says bring up an interactive shell and send it to our machine here. When we hit the send request, we can see that a TCP connection has been established and we are connected to the victim machine. And now we can perform lateral movements on the victim machine, and that concludes our reverse shell attack. Drop a like if you want me to commit an arson crime. See you tomorrow with more updates.